It's your boy T with the Arizona Riders Club. I'm out over here at the BMW exhibit at the 2020 Barrett Jackson Auto Auction in Scottsdale. It's the Arizona Riders Club. You know what the slogan is, ride with us. We're looking at the new M4, 2020 M4. It starts out at 70. It's got some carbon fiber here in the tail, the roof. Looks pretty damn good, man, to be honest with you. Let's go around this. Had to come over and see it. I got a little pitch from the BMW rep. Gave me some information on it. Told me about the new tech, the hand motioning tech that can change channels on the radio, which is kind of crazy, but I also think that could piss you off. I'd probably want that in black or silver, but yeah, still a nice vehicle. We also have the 235i right here. This is the one he was ranting and raving about, 301 horsepower. Got a lot of new tech in it. All right, guys, let me know what you think. You know what? Let's go take a look at this new X3. Wifey loves them. Oh, look at those headrests. I don't know if you can see it, but it has lights in it. Let's keep going. X4M. One of these things has like 600 horsepower. I can't remember which one it is. Is it this one? No, this one's 473. But for an SUV, that's absolutely insane. Z4. The matte wrap finish. Looking sleek. Let's go take a look at this burgundy one. I want to find out. Looks like absolutely a sedan, but what model? Oh, M5. Nasty. Let's take a look at inside. Looks really clean. Typical BMW. Everyone loves it. All right. Leave me a message. Hit the subscribe button. Arizona Riders Club.